Why not the new Renaissance? It is powered by India's most energy efficient motor. The revolutionary BLDC motor works on a magnetic force, eliminating friction and motor heating completely. This translates to a whopping 65% savings on electricity consumption that helps you save up to Rs 1500 a year. Not just that, its unique AtomSense algorithm monitors the motor real time, ensuring super efficient performance. You can control it remotely from your comfort. Choose from a wide range of colors. It also comes with an LED speed indicator. Wondering why haven't you got one yet? The new Renaissance from Attenberg. Why not?